boomers. It's the voice of the blockchain, Satoshi's big cousin, cryptography's finest, Champagne Crypto. Thank you for kapumping and kabooming in. Shout out to all my meta maniacs out there. Today we're talking about this potential market recovery. We're talking about Apecoin hitting all-time high, which is semi-surprising. We'll talk about the Medal of Honor reveal today after a successful event yesterday, and more. Make sure you drop a comment here in the population of the chat box. Shout out to all my meta maniacs. Make sure you're joining the Champagne Room Discord immediately. The link is down below. Good morning to Adrian Kent. Good morning. Shout out to all my meta maniacs out there. I see all you guys. Let me go ahead and turn off these coins and check out these charts. You can see Apecoin. Look at this chart this morning. Up 19% in the past 24 hours. Apecoin has just announced their metaverse sale is going to be in Apecoin. This could be a reason why the price of Apecoin has gone up. I was reading this article over here. Apecoin been trending up about 32%. Here's why. Apecoin's price is rising. Yuga Labs announcement on its up-and-coming metaverse, and they did release this video back in March hinting at the metaverse that they're creating, and now they just recently tweeted, sent some huge alpha regarding the Yuga Labs land drop. The sale will be a Dutch auction of some sort starting at 600 ape. The Bored Ape Yacht Club and the Mutant Ape Yacht Club holders will be airdropped. The punks, the Meebits, Cool Cats, Nouns, what is that? Something of women, World of Women, Toads will be auto listed, and then you can get your ape ready. Looks like we're going to need it. So that was tweeted there by Renegade Master, Gucci Bored Ape Yacht Club.eth, a holder out there. So it's definitely showing a little trend out here. I mean, this is a big brand in crypto. As far as what they're valued at, it could be arguably a little bit more than it is, but maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe they are as valuable as what their market cap is reflecting. If you could check out, let's pull up CoinGecko over here and check out what's really booming on the charts today. Let that load up. Boom. Okay. You see BTC back almost at 42, up about 2%, which, is nice. We've seen a recovery there. It seems like as soon as tax season was over, the market started to recover. I mean, I've seen that before. And you got Apecoin, which is the top gainer, about 30% today. It's at $16 at all-time high. We just explained that. Synthetics is up. Aave, Steppen has been doing excellent. Zilliqa, we've been talking about that. Kusama, Pancake Swap. They're back on the chart. So keep an eye on Apecoin. I'm seeing a trend here, NFTs with their own coins, providing utility. I know that they did recently a merchandise drop. I believe it was some hoodies, and those hoodies were sold for Apecoin. I know that they recently did a collab with Artifact, I believe, or was it Super Plastic, excuse me, another collective there where they did some toys. And I know that the Bored Ape Yacht Club, in order to buy the toy, you needed a Bored Ape. I'm not sure if the Apecoin was actually involved in that, though, but we'll see. We'll see. Shout out to Adrian, the rest of the Meta Maniacs. Drop a comment. Let me know what's shaking and baking. Let's look at some of these other headlines over here on CoinDesk. I know that Coinbase recently announced a marketplace as well. Coinbase is trying to jump into the game. Coinbase NFT marketplace goes live. Can it rival OpenSea? I mean, we don't know. It's I wouldn't bet on it, but you never know. And then block gaming usage explodes 2,000% in a year. I would expect that to continue to rise. Let's check this out. Coinbase NFT marketplace. Okay, this actually is promising that they're putting a social media spin on NFT trading. And I think that's something that the community needs. The NFT community needs a social media, a space, a platform. And Twitter, Twitter seems to be where everybody's congregating, and now Twitter, allows people to verify their profile picture or whatnot. But it's not necessarily crypto based. And I'm reminded of platforms like Steemit several years ago, back in the day, and in crypto, that's back in the day, and they would provide a little bit more utility to the content creators. So I'm interested to see if there's a marketplace that could put a spin to just to content creation, not just in the form of NFTs and or something else, or let's see where that can all lead to. But there could be something there. Again, that's the article over here. This is a Coinbase NFT marketplace. They're going to put a social media spin on NFT trading. I don't know exactly what that spin's going to be, but it's interesting. They're promising to make it more decentralized as it grows, but this thing is centralized. That's the thing with a lot of these things. They use the word decentralized, and really it's not much decentralized. Some of this is just glorified databases. But anyhow, it's certainly interesting. It could be promising, and it could increase in price. So definitely keep an eye on that. So let's go back to this MOH Medal of Honor NFT. The mint went by fast yesterday. I mean, those things were claimed immediately. Our mod over there on Discord, Poison, wasn't even able to mint. I have no Medals of Honor. This thing is super rare. Okay, there's only right now, last time I checked, 7 holders of 33 coins. And we're doing the reveal today. Oh yeah, we're doing the reveal today. Today we are doing the reveal. Check out the coins. You can get them over there on Tofu and or OpenSea. OpenSea, I didn't notice. I don't know if they think they changed this. OpenSea now on Matic, I think only deals in ETH. If I'm not mistaken, you can only list for ETH. Is what I'm seeing. It shows everything on. It looks like they want to just be an ETH kind of. Obviously the fees are in Matic, the gas. But it seems like buying and selling of NFTs on OpenSea on the Matic side seem to be done on ETH. So anyhow, we had some listings there on Tofu for Matic, and one sale for Matic done in Matic on Tofu. So Tofu seems to be have a little bit more options, honestly. So you can check that out, and either on OpenSea and or Tofu. You can put offers if you're interested. I will be doing the reveal. The reveal is today. You'll find out whether you got a bronze, a silver, or a gold. And again, the name of the game here is to collect 1 gold, 1 silver, and 1 bronze medal, so that you can get a MetaChamp Ring NFT when they drop very soon. Like, this is going to be, I'm actually putting the pedal to the metal. So again, the Medals of Honor, they minted out. You can see it says sold out, but they were, claimed by the whitelisted members. And right now you can get them over here on OpenSea. OpenSea has them. You can place offers in ETH. And then we got the Tofu NFT. All the links will be down below and in the Discord. Okay, so yeah, we had Emmanuel over there in the chat. He had one listed for 20, but he said, you know what, I'm not going to sell until after the reveal. He wants to see what he has. He's got a handful. So I will be announcing some additional perks for the Medal of Honor soon. Okay, you guys may be surprised. And I got maybe some tricks up my sleeve. So there'll be some additional perks to holding these medals, and there may be some perks that are exclusive to the medal type, the bronze, the silver, and the gold. So don't think that the bronze medals are worthless. I wouldn't assume them to be worthless. They may come with some perks. You don't know. Okay, if you're a Medal of Honor holder right now, you can join the Discord and verify yourself on the collab land joined. I had put that up yesterday, but it took a little second for me to figure it out. And I'm appreciative of all you guys being patient with me, because I'm figuring this all out on my own. Okay, how to set up the contracts, the sites, the collab land, the Discord. This is, it's all the champ figuring this out on his own, so that when we launch those bigger projects, the Metacox, which is completely complete, okay? If that makes any sense. I'll know exactly what's going on, and I'll be able to manage it to a T like a champ. Okay. Shout out to Adrian Ken out there and the rest of the boomers there in the chat. Let me know what's shaking and baking. Let me put up this Bitcoin chart, see where we're going at here with BTC. Certainly looks like somewhat of a recovery, though. I'll be honest with you. Well, at least holding a lot stronger than what I had expected. I was bracing for impact over there, going into sub 40 prices with BTC. But we're currently almost at 42. BTC 41.7. And the technicals haven't changed yet. They're still reading sell. But again, much more favorable than what I expected. Here's the 3 months chart. And it looks like we may be rebounding here. This low that we experienced just basically yesterday. Seems like we hit that low yesterday, the day after the taxes were due. I mean, are we going to enter now into, Q2 with a rebound? Let's see. Let's see if we can. We certainly are at a higher high from our last high, which was 41 over here. So let's see if we can break through 42.8, and then ultimately, what would confirm a breakout is a price above 48. If we even can, obviously if we can creep over 50K, I think we'll be out, and we break out into a new run. But we'll see. I think that's definitely the resistance that I'm seeing in the future. 50,000. Now, we've identified Terra Luna as one of the best alternative coins technically to hold right now. Let's see if that still stands. That would be Luna. Solana has been somewhat okay, but it's still on sell. That's reading neutral. Jeez. Seems like my computer's going super slow. I touch the mouse and it takes a second to react. There we go. Luna USD. Let's see where we're at with Luna. It's still a buy. Someone in the chat yesterday in the Discord asked me, Champ, do you read the RSI indicators? And if so, which one? And I'll be honest with you guys. I mean, I'm not a technical analysis maniac. What I do here, and if you've been following the live stream, I just check the technicals summary here on TradingView. You could see the technical summary on TradingView here on the bottom right-hand corner. I know the metal right now is covering it, but you click over here on more technicals, and it pops up this screen. And, it shows you, these ROIs, the oscillators, the moving average, and it gives you a summary of them. And you can summarize them for 1 day projections, 1 week, 1 month, or even, in a shorter time period. But you could see right now, the Luna technicals, the majority are reading buy. It seems like most of them are reading buy, several are neutral, and there's only a few that are on sell. So this is what I look at. I'm not running, technicals myself and really like living and dying by any of these technicals, but I do check them out and I see what the summary reads, and I see what the overall consensus is. And then you could look further down into the future, into the 1 month, and you see that the technicals change. You see a 1 month technical, the oscillators are saying sell. So, got to keep an eye on it. Kaboom! Shout out to Adrian, the rest of the boomers out there. Let me see, guys, drop a comment. Let me know what's shaking and baking. Let me know if you read me loud and clear out there. I know we only just got a couple people on the tube right now. Seems you guys are still asleep, or what's going on out there? Now, I'm still holding Jewel. I know that the price still went down significantly, but you know what? I'm farming it down. And the rewards are still favorable. Although it's slipped in the rankings, I don't want to see it go into the number 200, but It's right now at 197. At one point, Jewel almost crept into the top 100. So Apecoin right now is the superstar. And you know how this is, guys. A lot of people try to follow the leader, so I would expect more projects to copy this model with NFT coins, and have their their native token, and they're trying to do a metaverse, and they're creating their economy basically. I know that they're not the first to do this. They're not the first to have their own coin. I know the Creeps token, or the Creeps Genesis Creeps, you could stake them and earn and Lumi, and then they have all kinds of in-game purchases that you could do with that Lumi. But I'm not sure if they've done physical assets like merch, like Bored Ape Yacht Club has. So let's see, guys. That Discord Medal of Honor reveal will be happening really soon. I would say sometime around lunch. I would like to see what's up. Like I see that one person took the listing down. They had it up for what I think at 20 Matic, and seems like we got some diamond hands out there. We got some diamond. No one wants to sell. So it'd be interesting to see if what would happen if people listed. There was more listings, but let's see. I will announce some perks that haven't been announced specific to coins soon, but we might just have to do that reveal first to see what you guys do. Kaboom. Shout out to the Meta Maniacs out there. Adrian said loud and clear. All right, got you. I'm not sure if Adrian, were you able to pick one up? Those things were minted in like 2 minutes. I don't even have one. So I was like this morning, I was trying to test out the Collab Land join to verify the role, but I can't because I don't have the token in my wallet. So luckily, we got it working. We got BT over there and Manuel. They said they were able. I think it was someone else, Gus. I think someone else was there that said that they were able to verify. So when it comes to these medals of honor, guys, you could rest assured, I don't have any control of the supply. Okay, as far as I don't hold any of the supply. That's better said. I don't hold any of the supply. So it's interesting to see what may or may not happen. I'm toting with the idea of offering some perks just to the bronze holders. Because I think most of you guys are thinking, well, the bronze, that's the one that has the highest supply. There's 15 bronze, there's only 6 gold. So I the first thing people would probably assume is like, oh, the bronze is not, So I'm toting with you. I'm playing with the idea of offering some perks just for the bronze. But again, if you do collect the gold, 1 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze, you'll get dropped a Meta Champ Ring NFT exactly when they're released, which is very, very soon. So that's what's up, guys. I'm very excited about this. Again, it's I thank you guys for being patient with me with experimenting with this. Failed twice, champ. Failed twice. Okay, well that may be because everybody was trying to mint all at once. That usually, that's something that happens. But yeah, it worked because people got it, and people, you could see there in the Discord. So one thing I did learn is how to limit the amount of coins that you could mint per transaction. I had it set for 3. Next time it's probably just going to be 1, so that you would have to do more than 1 transaction and mint 1 coin. My intent was to try to limit the coins that could be minted per address, but you can only do that per transaction, not a total limit. That feature, I don't know how to implement it yet. So yeah, but we're rocking with it. And you know what? That's not going to be the only drop. I already told you guys the Meta Champ rings are coming, and we got other things besides the Metacox. Like I want to build the hype for the Metacox, because that's like a bigger project. And ultimately, there's going to have I want that to grow into a full-fledged player versus player game. Something like Street Fighter. You can earn points or other NFTs or some prizes or stuff with by playing. And, we'll figure it out. kaboom. All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and proceed with my day. Make sure that you're locked in, loaded over there on the Discord. I'll be, like I said, revealing very soon. And let's see what goes down. It'd be interesting to see, what would happen here pre-reveal if anyone ended up listing. I know that one person pulled the listing, but it'd be interesting to see if someone else listed, and what would happen or not, or if you guys are going to decide to do something after the reveal. We'll see. All right, guys, stay strong. It's the voice of the blockchain, Satoshi's big cousin, cryptography's finest.